So you're nose in right now?
Nose out.
Put the yellow in the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to read the instructions again to find out which lights say that it's signal locked to the GPSs and everything.
It's still blinking a lot.
Yeah. It's blinking, it's cycling, it's... Oh, it's solid blue light now though. That's something new.
It's like a Windows PC. It takes forever to boot up.
Yeah. Well, I don't want to go out too early until it's got all the GPSs, right?
Yeah.
So I think when it's blinking all slow like this, the GPSs are locked. I gotta grab the manual. Unfortunately, the manual's at home. And the one I have here doesn't have the same equipment in it, so I can't test it. So, well, let's see what happens. So that's in what they call GPS attitude mode, heading lock. So we'll see. Put it in what is carefree mode. Oh, that's my mistake. That was come home. That was return home. It just traveled right back. Try that again. That was neat. Try to move it over here. Stop for a second. And just let it sit there and see if it returns home. Comes home pretty fast. I actually had to slow it down a bit with the controls. So let's look at that heading roll. There we go. Now we can actually play with the rudder as much as we want. These things need bodies on them, man. What? Ah. Pulled back too hard. Those controls are still too sensitive. Yeah, it flipped right over when I pulled back. Carnage.